Check out this 2011 Honda CR-V. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front-wheel drive, passenger vanity mirror, bucket seats, power steering, MP3 player, multi-CD changer, driver vanity mirror, and intermittent wipers. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.